everybody, let's glue book in my random item glue book. Well, we're gonna find a clean page and start from here. Oh, I didn't show you I have my glue. I have my scissors and I have scraps from a previous project right here that I want to glue down. Today we're actually going to use the negative to help us glue this. We're going to use negative in two ways. We're going to glue down the negative parts of this paper. This is the, I had cut something out and this is what was left over. So this will make an interesting background and add interest to our paper. And also, I was really quiet while filming this glue book page because I'm still going through the go through. And I just had so much energy, negative energy locked up that I just had to get it out. And so I have been just glue booking a storm. So, and sometimes that could be good because it fuels creativity. Negativity sometimes can fuel your creativity going through the rough times. Sometimes, you know, it's something to be said about going through something and coming out on the other side. And I have not yet, me and my family come to the other side yet, but we're working through it. And then this is what you're going to be seeing while I glue book. I'm thankful for glue booking. Long time ago in my first glue book page, I said glue booking is cheaper than therapy, and I do see this as a not therapy per se. You know what I mean? Because it's important to go see a professional if you need to, but art as a way of just getting things out and pushing, helping you to push through and helping you to think. Um, oh, I got a call. Helping you to think is helpful. So I'm not going to talk through the entire um, session because, like I said, I was quiet because I had to, you know, process what I'm going through and things of that nature. I had a good time though while doing this page. It came out better than I had anticipated. That dog is so pretty. Um, but so we'll either listen to the music or we will just listen to the like an ASMR kind of deal. You know, this is going to last forever, you know, where I don't sit and talk to you through the whole thing. It's just for a season. All right, friends, I will come back and see you at the end of the video. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm sorry I hit the camera. It'll stop swinging. It's either the phone was ringing, a family member came up to talk to me at the end, so I had to cut that out. It's like, going on in this video. Oh boy. We used a lot in this video. We used an old gift bag. We used magazines. We used um, the I had made a little flower up there. I guess a doodle flower with bling in it. Old scraps from paper. We used bling from um, another project that I had, and it had spilled all over the place. So I kept that, and then ribbon. What else do I see? I doodled. I was going to journal, but then I didn't have room this time. And let's see, we got ephemera. We've got a lot going on in this little picture. I really enjoyed myself. Okay, friends, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. It is your time to bloom. Oh, and if you made it this far, you could go ahead and it's spring, so we either you can put a birdie, um, flowers for blooming, the scissor emoji, the book emoji, and you can always wave at me. Friends, I hope you have a great day, the rest of the day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.